I have slapped someone. Spice नहीं है, but मैं ज़्यादा बता नहीं सकती हूँ. Full madness. Me feeling really, really bad and guilty, and out of guilt, I started laughing. He was trying to get close, and she really wanted to, like, reciprocate, but she just couldn't. We got Ajay Devgan's stunt team to choreograph stunt sequences for us. Like comedy, I feel like comes naturally to him.
Hey guys, I'm Alice Karapita, and today I have with me someone who's an actor, singer, and someone who's an OG internet sensation. Yeah, Mithila Palkar, what's up?
What's up? My film's coming out this Friday. That's what's up. No big deal.
No, it's a very big deal. Yeah, this Happy Patel film is a very big deal for us and for you because almost, I think, 8 years later, you're going to be on the big screen again. How does it feel?
So far, I was only feeling excited. Now the nerves are slowly creeping in because I feel like now the screenings are also scheduled, which means a lot more people we know are going to watch, which means that, basically, I'm going to hear now from people about what they think. So that's nerve-wracking.
Absolutely, I can imagine. Okay, first of all, this film, has a very mad concept, has a mad cast. How much madness was it on set?
Full madness. It was full. I also feel like what was lovely about this set was that the whole like feeling of why we make cinema kind of, came back together because I did feel it on Karma, I wouldn't deny. But like now again on this film set, it felt like one whole big community has come together to make one film that we are going to love so much and put all our hearts into it. So there was a no phone policy on set. So we all kind of respected that, and we all sat together, actually looked at each other and spoke to each other and celebrated being on that set, spoke about food, music, word games that we all loved playing. So it was just like this whole camaraderie that built for us, and it was just so much fun.
It was just like olden times now when there was no phone or anything and you had no option but to talk. But this time, I think this rule made it very interesting for all of y'all.
Indeed, it definitely did. I think it made a lot of difference.
So you've shot quite a lot with Veer Das, In real life, he's known to be quite the quirky, witty guy, You imagine him to always be funny, When the first day on set, what is it like with him?
Oh, it was a lot of fun. But I feel like, that belief of a comedian will always be cracking jokes. But I didn't expect that to happen because you're not going to expect a chef to constantly be dishing out food for you, right? So it was not that. But the whole energy of Veer Das that you kind of assume that he'll be fun, he'll be witty, he'll be approachable. All of that is true.
Yeah.
So that is how it was.
And how's he as a director?
Very fun, very collaborative, I would think. That both Kavi and him, I would give credit to. That, they opened the floors to all of us too. There were scenes that we had to do exactly as is. And then once we had that, we were allowed to just play with it.
So more than one takes?
More than one take.
And then improv.
Let's get the right take for whatever is on paper. And then do the same scene.
As you like.
As you like.
Yeah.
Have fun with it. So,
how much of improv happened?
A lot did. With certain scenes, definitely. A lot happened.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm also somebody who sticks to my lines. So then, so there's a good balance of everything.
I can imagine, obviously.
Yeah.
There's also this one thing that I hear that there was quite a few slap moments. And not ek do bari, it was kai bari.
Yes.
Shed some light, please.
So the thing is that they both really like each other, but because of the way she's made, this Rupa girl, she is constantly very protective of her space. So even if bhanak lagti hai usko ki zara sa bhi, if she feels like somebody is creeping into my space, that's it. Like she becomes a ninja.
Guards up.
So all guards up, exactly. So her guards up is basically just swat someone away. So that is what was happening, that he was trying to get close and she really wanted to reciprocate, but she just couldn't.
And actually mein thappad pada?
हाँ, बहुत सारे पड़े. Like it started with me feeling really, really bad and guilty, and out of guilt I started laughing too many times, so we couldn't get those right takes. उस चक्कर में he had to get slapped a few more times because we needed a right take, and he's good about it in terms of he knew this was coming.
Hmm.
He's written it. He knows
Obviously,
it.
yeah.
He's my director who's asked me to actually
Hmm.
go for it, right? But he kept us like straight face as in like he was playing happy. He
Yeah.
was in his character. I, on the other hand, you could see it on my face, the
You worried?
terror on my face that I have slapped someone. So yeah, that was a big unlearning for me.
So in total, how many takes were there? Do you remember?
No, I don't, because also there are too many slaps across the film. So it's very hard to keep count of that.
We're absolutely looking forward to this one for all of these moments also. But this film also stars a very special actor, Imran Khan,
Yes.
with whom you've also done Katti Patti, which
Yes.
was, one of the last, projects that he worked on,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Imran Khan and you did Katti Patti, which is one of your initial projects, and his last project. So this was quite a reunion on set. Do you all have scenes together?
We have some moments, yes, I would think so.
What was-
I would say that.
Okay, but what was like...
Spice नहीं है, but मैं ज़्यादा बता नहीं सकती हूँ.
No, surprise. Na?
Surprise, yes. Lots of surprises.
But what was it like on set for the first time when you guys met after so long?
It was so lovely. In fact, I knew that obviously that he was going to be on set, and he and I recalled that the last film he did was my first Bollywood film.
Exactly.
And then to be on a set 10 years later when Imran is making a comeback to film sets was just really lovely, and we celebrated that. It was nice. It was nice to it's nice to have him back, and I hope that he's here to stay.
Yeah,
now.
I
We
mean,
want to
that's-
watch him in a
Yeah.
lot more films.
Please take this as an official petition also. That
Yes.
please do more Bollywood films also, right? A little off topic from what Happy Patel, and your work has been like, but over the years we've seen you experiment, okay, and you've not done comedy before, okay. Did you ever think that comedy is a genre that you should have done maybe before, and it was that you were keen on doing?
I don't think there is anything of the sort. Like, I don't think anything is set in stone for me like that. I feel like anything new, and I have only just scratched the surface of this world. So anything beyond what I have done so far is going to be new to me. So I don't think there was a plan of I should do comedy. It depended on the opportunities that I got. And
Correct.
sure, if I would have gotten them 5 years ago, I would have definitely done it. But
Absolutely.
it happened now, and I'm more than happy to
And
be
this one
part.
also has action, no? Which is...
Yes.
Let's
it
talk about
does.
that.
Let's talk about that, because there are many action sequences which are choreographed. As Veer also loves to share that we got Ajay Devgan's stunt team
Oh,
to choreograph stunt sequences for us,
okay.
and I did all of my stunts on my own.
Damn.
So that was really fun to do and rehearse for, and I can't wait for people to watch that.
I know. I mean, we've not watched you do that before, so
Yeah,
super excited for that
yeah.
one, yeah.
Yeah, I'm so excited. So there is comedy, there's action, there's all of those things that you've not seen me done before.
Before, obviously, yeah. But your journey has been one where we've seen you play like the girl next door. We've seen you be like, the cute one, and it's all nice and positive and all. But do you think that because in this industry you can get boxed so easily? लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि अगर आप एक एक्शन वाली ज्यादा होगी तो ये आपको रोल ज्यादा करना चाहिए, करेक्ट? और if you're doing funny तो इसको तो funny roles और देना चाहिए ना. तो when you get boxed into this kind of this kind of a trait, does it become a boon or a curse as an actor?
I would think it's a curse, because as much as I like to and enjoy doing films or projects basically as the girl next door, as an actor that doesn't allow you to show range.
Exactly.
And I have been saying this, that it is the makers who will create the opportunities for us, because the audience is if so far they have watched whatever we have done, they will end up watching you, right? Because the whole point is that the audience is waiting. So many of my audience members have written to me saying, where are you? We've not seen you. So they are waiting for something to come up, and they will be willing to see what we are showing them, as long as we are willing to take the risk and make it.
Exactly.
And I feel like that I give a lot of credit to the makers, and especially of the projects that are going to come out this year that I have been part of, that all those makers have been incredible in terms of putting their faith in me and saying, hey, you know what? I think you can play this part, and I think you can do this role. And all of those things are so different from what I have done before. I've looked different than what I have before.
Yes.
I've done many different things, spoken differently. In case in point, Happy Patel, I have done action and comedy, like two genres I've never been part of.
Correct.
So I do feel a lot of gratitude towards the makers of these projects that I was fortunate to be part of, who put their faith in me and said, hey, you know what? You can do this. Let's go ahead and try this out.
But as an actor, okay, this can be one of the fears, right? To, not to be approached for other kind of genres, or, to be maybe not be given enough opportunities, especially when you have potential. And Mithila, I have to tell you this, that all of us as an audience have watched you, okay, be it on the internet, okay, with the videos that you've posted, the whole cup, thing that you used to do and all of that, be it even the Marathi projects that you've done, be it even like the OTT TV ones that you've done, the YouTube ones that you've done, or even films, okay? And you have such great potential, which is the reason why the audience keeps asking that, we want to see more of you. As an actor, does that fear you that, why are people not being able to see this potential that I have?
That's very kind of you. I feel like opportunities create opportunities. So now that I think makers have started putting that faith in me, and now you will get to see me in different kinds of roles. Maybe more makers will be able to put more faith in me.
Yeah.
So I'm hopeful.
Yeah.
There is a fear, but I'm hopeful.
Always looking forward to
Thank
more
you.
projects that you have. But can you tell us more about the projects that are lined up?
So apart from Happy Patel, there will be this film that I've done with Priyadarshan sir called Bhoot Bangla, which also, of course, has Akshay sir and Paresh sir, and all of them have worked together for so many years, and they are also coming back together after so many
Exactly.
years.
That's a reunion.
Yeah, that is a reunion in itself, and it was a privilege to witness that also, because I feel like they've worked together so much that they just know each other. It's like the whole set functions like a well-oiled machine. Everybody just knows everything, what is expected, what is the output, what can be the input. So it was really inspiring to be on that set, and a privilege again, because I keep saying this, that Priyadarshan sir's films are a genre in themselves.
Correct. Yes.
So to be part of that universe, it was incredible. And the other project that I'm going to be seen in is it's a show. It's a Telugu web show called Super Subu.
Okay.
And it's one of Netflix India's first Telugu shows. So I'm super excited to
Awesome.
be seen in that, because again, in that I'm playing a village girl from Telangana.
Acha. Oh, so that's also a first for you. A very different kind of a role.
So I'm looking different, dressing differently, and I enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Okay, I'm going to go back to Bhoot Bangla for a while, okay? So this set was a reunion of sorts. Madness, of course, okay? How's it working with Akshay Kumar?
It is incredible, because he's so disciplined, and we hear that about him, and it's true.
Yeah.
Like, he will show up on time, leave on time, do his job, and I think he's really innately funny, right? Like, comedy, I feel like comes naturally to him. So it was really fun to watch him work, and then again be his co-actor.
Yeah. Any pranks on set? Because I believe he's known for that also, no?
He is, but with me, he didn't play.
You got saved. You got saved. Lucky one.
Yes.
Okay. So coming back to Happy Patel now, it's all up for release now. Looking forward to this one totally. What is the audience going to be leaving with? That kind of an emotion. What do you think they're going to be leaving with?
I feel like this is going to be a breath of fresh air amongst all the like angst you're feeling, or like just anger you're feeling about things. This film, you're going to go into the theater, get thoroughly entertained, laugh a lot with your fellow audience members, and then enjoy those 2 hours of your life, and then you can go back to work. So I do promise that you're going to leave the theaters feeling light and happy.
Light and happy. Thank you, universe. And at this point of time, I would like to manifest for you that in the years to come and the projects ahead, I just really want you to excel and do so
Thank you.
well.
That's so kind of you.
And I
Thank
hope you
you.
get to explore and experiment so much more, yeah? Because we want to see you more.
I hope so. Directors, producers, writers, if you're watching this, you know what to do.
All right, but thank you so much
Thank
and all
you.
the very best for
Thank
Happy
you.
Patel.
Thank you very much. Hi, I'm Mithila Palkar, and you're watching me on Mama Razi.